In this video, we will discuss checking water coolant flow using a CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then go into the Settings menu. Select Diagnostics. Scroll down to Water Coolant Check. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to test and press Start. The handpiece will spray water coolant for 5 seconds until the timer hits 0 and the chime sounds. Adjust the water and repeat as necessary. When finished, return the handpiece to the holder. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.